Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by washing your hands and cleansing the eye area. This prevents oils from blocking contact. Once done, chill the eye pack 10 to 15 minutes so it's soothing but not numbing. Make sure to shape or trim the pack to match the under-eye triangle. Press gently to test fit. You'll apply from the inner corner toward the temple to follow lymph flow. This helps reduce puffiness efficiently. Keep movements slow and confident so the pack sits comfortably. You should lie back with your head elevated about 30 degrees so fluid drains away from the eye. During treatment, leave the pack on for 10 to 20 minutes depending on sensitivity, and check comfort regularly. While it's on, lightly press and glide the pack outward every 3 to 4 minutes to stimulate lymphatic drainage and improve circulation. This increases product absorption and reduces puffiness. If you're using a cooling gel, the gradual pressure helps distribute the cool evenly across the skin. You finish by gently peeling the pack away, moving from outer corner back inward, and pat the remaining serum into the skin instead of rubbing. Once done, store the pack in the fridge or freezer as the product instructions recommend so it's ready for the next use. This preserves texture and cooling effect. If you experience stinging, redness, or swelling, rinse with cool water and stop using the pack. Seek advice if symptoms persist. For minor slippage, secure with a thin gauze or silicone patch so it stays put.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.